It's a little blurry.
That's you guys were moving.
She's moving on that one. 4, yep, you did a good job. You did a good job. Look at Grandma. Look at Grandma.
You want a drink of water?
Look at Grandma.
You want a drink of water? You want to go see the whale again?
You want to see the whale? Ah, you want to see the whale?
Should we make the water go?
Yeah? Okay. We will. Here we go. Oh. Put your hand there. Oh! You got sopping wet on that one. You got sopping wet on that one. Now's a good time to put your nightie on, isn't it? Do it again. Woo! You got all wet. You got all wet. You have to change your clothes now. One more time.